when Bitcoin was worth, a fraction of its current price. Here on RT, in fact, I think one of the first to publicly endorse the cryptocurrency. You said it's going to break the $100,000 barrier. We did see that happen. So you are indeed the guru that I presented you as, though, of course, I have to say, financial disclaimer, these are not financial services, at least not professionally. Go out, do your research, speak to your own people. But the prices over the years have also dipped, and it's a bit of a roller coaster for people who are invested in Bitcoin. So just explain, why is it so volatile? And can anything be done, or do you expect it to stabilize in the coming term?
Right, well, it's made a move from 30 cents a Bitcoin, where we first mentioned it on RT back in 2010. It's, as you point out, it's now over $100,000 per coin. So that's going to naturally be a volatile, bumpy ride from 30 cents to 100,000. Anyone who's held Bitcoin for at least 4 years hasn't lost a penny. So you have to have a outlook of at least 4 years to own your Bitcoin, and there you are mitigating the volatility risk. But with Bitcoin, you're guaranteed an increase in purchasing power over time, whereas with fiat money like the US dollar, for example, you're guaranteed a loss of purchasing power over time, because the supply of fiat money is increasing by 15% on average globally. And in the US, that's approximately the rate at which it's increasing. That means every single year your purchasing power decreases by 15%. With Bitcoin, because it's a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoin, and that's never going to be any more Bitcoin, your purchasing power goes up relative to everything else that's being increased in supply, whether that's fiat money. Even gold is increased in supply every single year. Housing, obviously, fine art, et cetera. All other stores of value have a problem that as demand goes up, so does supply. Bitcoin is the only asset or commodity in the history of humanity that as demand goes up, supply stays fixed at 21 million. And therefore, the only thing in between that is price and price discovery. And that's what we're seeing right now. And the projection of a price of Bitcoin heading into the millions of dollars per Bitcoin is now accepted on Wall Street by the biggest players on Wall Street. Some of the biggest companies in America, like MicroStrategy, have a $13 million per coin Bitcoin projection in the next cycle. So the price is really almost, you could say, mathematically guaranteed to go higher, because the value of fiat money is mathematically guaranteed to go to zero against Bitcoin.